Hey guys, we're going to start doing the subtractive method. So we just did the additive method there to create that part. We're going to create the same part, but instead of adding little bits together, we're going to take a block and start cutting away from it there. So we'll start off the same way here, new part, and then I hit start 2D sketch and hit my XY plane. Now we're going to make the overall rectangle here, and so that one was is 2.25 that way, and then 1.5 the other way there, and that should do it. Hit enter. I want to see this whole thing, so I just double clicked on the front face, and that looks okay. So I'm going to finish my sketch right there and extrude it out, and it was 0.75 that we want to extrude it. Sorry, it was actually 2 times 0.75, so I'll say 1.75, and then instead of doing math, I can just say plus and 0.75 right there, and I'll hit enter or press OK on that. So now I have this overall block. Now remember, there was a couple things that we had to take care of with this. Is we have to actually subtract from this thing. So how we do that is we do the start 2D sketch one more time, and so I'll get right there. And we can do this a couple different ways, but I'm gonna make a rectangle, and I'll start it at this top corner. Should automatically snap for you there, so that's nice. So, and we'll do so it should be 0.75 up, and then 2.25 across. So notice I didn't dimension it right off the bat. I use sort of like these snap things, but I do need to dimension this one right here, and that is 0.75. And then I need to dimension that right there, and that cancel. No, why is this one not working here? So cancel that, get out of the tool. I'm going to try to see, okay, so that one there, let's see if I can dimension this one right there. I'll say it's 2.25. That's what I want. All right, now, so I have that, and I want to pretty much take away everything except for this piece right here. So I can make a little rectangle, and I'm going to start it right here and then go down there, but I need to dimension it. So I'm going to dimension it off of, so I hit dimension, I'm going to do this side to that side, and that should be 0.75. And everything is all set at this point. So let's do one more thing here. I'll do a rectangle, and I'm going to make it from here to there, and I'll dimension it again from there to there, and that should be 0.75. I have 0.75. All right, great. Now I have enough to so where I can actually go ahead and start subtracting things. So I'm going to finish the sketch, and I'm going to say extrude. Now with this extrude, I've been using this option of join. Well, I want to use this option right now of cut there. So and I want to cut off, so I want to leave this part on there. I want to cut that. I want to cut that. I want to cut that. Notice it took away it all. I don't want to take it all away. So I'm going to actually say distance, and I only want to go to 0.75, and that will just cut that one. Say OK. So now I have this right here, but I still need to subtract a little spot right there. And if you notice my on the side right here, my sketch is no longer there. But what I can do is I can actually reuse the sketch that I was using before, and I'm going to right-click on it and then turn the visibility on so I can actually see it. And I'm going to select that sketch and then hit the extrude button again. And I'm going to cut. I'm going to do there. And then instead of saying distance, I'm going to say through all, because I just want that whole thing to disappear. And I say OK. And now we've made the part. Now we still have that sketch on there. We'll just clean that up. I'll right-click on the sketch and then turn off the visibility again. And we have our block.